What if one night of bombing changed the direction of a global war? During World War II, the United States launched one of the most intense air campaigns in history against Japan. By 1945, the war in the Pacific had reached a critical stage. American forces were getting closer to Japan's main islands, but the cost of each battle was extremely high. To weaken Japan's ability to continue fighting, the United States began large-scale bombing missions over Japanese cities. One of the most devastating operations took place in March 1945 over Tokyo. American bombers dropped incendiary bombs, designed to start massive fires. Because many buildings in Tokyo were made of wood, the fires spread rapidly. Within hours, large parts of the city were destroyed. This became one of the most destructive air raids in history. The goal was to break Japan's industrial capacity and weaken its morale. These bombing campaigns were followed by even more powerful actions later in 1945, including the use of atomic weapons. The air raids showed how modern warfare had changed. Battles were no longer limited to soldiers on the battlefield, but could affect entire cities. The destruction forced Japan into a more desperate position as the war continued. Eventually, these combined pressures led to Japan's surrender later that year, bringing World War II to an end. The bombing of Tokyo showed that in modern war, the line between battlefield and city can disappear.